Alright, so we're at a point in the project where we need to put the wheels and tires back on. There's a couple of fabrication things that we need to do, but we need to get these wheels and tires on. So, Johnny here is going to help me put our new wheels and tires together. What do you think about our new tires?
Good.
Are they nice?
Yes.
Do you like the color of the wheels?
Yes.
Okay. So what we're going to do, you're going to help me with at least one before you lose your interest in this. So we got to put this tube inside this tire, and then we got to put two wheel halves together. Ooh, I think we need to deflate this a little bit. We got to shove this in the tire, buddy. Are you hungry? All right, help me shove it in the tire. Get it in there. Let's put Mr. Spiky Head down. Put it right here. There you go. There you go. There we go. Good job. Good job. Okay. Okay, so we got.
He wants to be in this.
So we got the tube in there? Okay, he wants to be in there? Alright, now we need two halves of the wheel. Here, I'm going to push you in a little bit.
He's up the tire. He's up the tire.
Alright, so we're going to need 3 bolts. 2 halves of the wheel. Hey, the stem goes through here. So can you put that on there so that stem goes through there? Oh, look where the stem is. You got to get it through there. There it is, just like that.
Yep.
Okay?
Mrs. Spiky loves the wheel.
He loves the wheel. That's the tire, yes. He loves the tire?
Yep, loves the tire.
Alright.
Now he's upside down.
So we're going to put some bolts in. Start with
Now
this
he's
one.
upside down.
He is upside down.
Yeah.
Alright, there's one. So we got to put 3 bolts in here, Johnny. 3 of them. There's one.
Yeah, but...
There's 2. And then you're going to help me tighten it up. And then we'll put some air in it. Put this one in there. Yep, line it up. Hold on, hold on. Here you go. You're going to run the gun, okay? You're going to put it on there and pull the trigger. Okay?
Pull the trigger?
This is the trigger. Okay, can you try it? There you go. Okay, wait, stop. Pull your finger off of it. Alright, let's put it on there first. Just like that. Now pull the trigger. Keep going. Keep going. There you go.
Wow.
Wow, yeah. Next one. Put it on there. Alright, pull the trigger. Oh, put it back on there. There you go. Pull it. You gotta push it on, okay? Maybe you should use both hands. Alright, pull the trigger. Okay, that's good. Next one.
Yeah.
You like that?
Yeah, baby.
Yeah. Alright, pull the trigger. Push.
Push.
Pull. Pull the trigger. Okay. I think that's good. Now, you want to put the air in there? Let's put the air in there. Alright, stop. That's going to come flying off of there if you're not careful. Hit you in the teeth. Alright. Here, I'm going to hold this on here, and you're going to squeeze that. Keep going. Hold on. Let's get this ball stem in here where it's happy. Alright, here we go. Now. Alright. Oh yeah. That's plenty. Alright, so one thing I didn't mention is that we are running these they're Sunifs. They're from Sunif. What are they? Anyways, there'll be a link down below. These are, okay, that's enough. Just hold off on that for a second. There'll be more. These are the 145/76, and the ones we were running before were a 13/5/6, and these are like, I guess, a 14/5/6. So we're doing a little slight upgrade in size. So we got that going for us. On to the next one. Hey, I forgot to ask you. Oh no. Yep, I just blew a hole in that tube. Dang, I was trying to adjust it to get it come through the hole better, and I just definitely popped a hole in it. Good thing we got one extra. We gotta take this back apart. Okay.
We got one extra?
Yep, well, let's just do another one and I'll fix that one later. Like that. Here, I got another one for you right here. Ready? Here.
You, yeah.
Alright, pull the trigger. That's good. Right. Now that will probably help us get the tube centered in there better. What I was doing is I was trying to pull on the valve stem to get it to come out of the hole better, and I think I just popped the thing around it. I've got one other tube. One of the original tubes wasn't bad, so we'll use that one. Let's get these wheels on. So this one, we'll do another front. So this is the front for this side. So we need the front for this side. So we need the face to go on this side. Okay. Let the air out. There we go. Just came loose in there. Alright, that should help. I think we had a little bit too much air in there. That's better. Okay, put the back on. Hey, don't do that. That thing's gonna fly off and hit you. Okay, now you can do it. Careful though, that can hurt. Don't put your fingers on there. That'll hurt. Go. Okay, stop. Okay, put it on this one. Okay. One more. Okay. Okay. One more. Okay. Good job. Let's put the air in it. Okay. Grab it. Okay. Do it. Go. Okay. Yep. Okay, here's a question. Do you want these black valve stems to go on here? Or do you want these red ones?
I want those red ones.
You like the red one?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, put it on there. Here, let me see it. There you go, that one's done. How's that look?
Good.
That's really good. Right? Alright. Now we gotta do all the rest of them. Ready? Go. Stop. Stop. Let me see. Wait. Hey, let it go. It's supposed to go up when you push it. Take your hand off. See? It shows you how much pressure is in the tire.
Alright everybody, that's it for this episode. I thought that'd be a fun project for me and my son to do, so he could have a part in building this thing. On the next episode, we're going to be finishing up this project and taking it for a cruise. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please smash that like button for me. Hit the subscribe if you want to get notified of future videos coming out from DJ's Hot Rod and Fab. Thank you guys very much for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.